finance. So, I think it's exciting. When I hear transformational technologies, I think it's great. The potential is enormous. And we just got to, develop and connect a lot of these ways that are done ethically, that are done legally, and that are done in a very pragmatic way.
No, that's fantastic. Rick, do you have anything to add?
Yeah, David raises a really, really good point. Kind of ties some things together. He mentioned IREX, right? The technology in that company that we've looked at before. When I look at that, at their capabilities, I think that is absolutely fantastic. And then I think about that, and it's like, I would really like to take this other technology and capabilities and data stores and marry it up with that type of capability. For example, I've done things where we created and built a geospatial engine, right? Taking a couple of these technologies that are just fantastic and tying those together allows us to have the type of capability that David's talking about.
Oh, that's great. I mean, and you look at it today, we had Samir Sharma from Intel, who's the head of the Internet of Things. I mean, there's a huge opportunity, right? I mean, look at do you remember, I don't even know, I don't buy milk anymore, but I remember on the milk carton, they had missing kids on the milk carton.
Yeah, right.
I don't know if they still do it or not, because I don't buy milk anymore, but
yeah.
I mean, this is like, I mean, I'm a country boy from Pennsylvania, but for me, if you go into a top retailer, Target or Walmart, and say, listen, can we use your cameras? We're going to look for missing exploited children because they may come in there. I mean, you might have a home run with this, right? And
totally.
People talk about the negative side on the side of it, but on the positive side of humanity, being able to just help that. I just saw 2 weeks ago, there's 45 kids in Ohio and then another 25 somewhere on the East Coast. I mean, and I'm sure that's a tip of the iceberg, but I mean, just that is worth it, right?
Yeah. And then when you look at it from hotels, truck stops, restaurants, malls, then you can start again through AI and machine learning and facial recognition, identifying more, the victims first and foremost, but then, trying to investigate and prosecute, all those, human traffickers and other bad actors.
So those are both great examples of when we talk about, is the data meaningful and actionable? There's a huge difference when you're investigating or you're dealing with missing exploited children. There's a huge difference between saying, yeah, sure, I have a photo, or here's a short video clip of a child that was here a week ago, right? That is a good data point, right? But meaningful and actionable is, you've got AI built into the system, you're alerted in real time that this missing child is in the store. Meaningful and actual means I can go call the police or leverage security to kind of hold that child there real time and have a recovery.